Hey guys, me, Mish. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Uh, that's what I have open. One bar rule and then to this. There was a trade. I didn't take it because I was not at the monitor. Could have been avoidable due to the fact that this approach needs a test because it's not like one approach. It's like, but also maybe not. I don't know. It was stretched. The reaction bar was come see, come saw, but I don't know. Maybe just a good place to lose to R. Sometimes stop is just a stop. That sure needed a test because it's a strong approach on our. Nothing happened on minutes. The level was here and then just didn't happen. Just didn't happen. Google is there. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm preparing a scene for Wednesday. And my role has a leg pain, groin, and buttocks. And I start doing the impediment work. And I became so sad I cried. I think it's the first time in my life the impediment work hits me so hard. Impediment is a correctly politically correct word to say, right? Hey Siri, is impediment politically correct word?
While an impediment can refer to a speech impediment, it does not necessarily refer to a disability. Using impediment as a synonym for disability can be offensive and insensitive. It's important to use appropriate language when referring to individuals with disabilities. This answer is from thickintentauthority.com.
Okay, so then what is politically correct for impediment? What is politically correct synonym of impediment? Politically correct synonyms. Like, how do you pronounce synonym to begin with? Sorry, guys, I'm all over the place.
Synonym.
Synonym. Yeah, I'm close. Synonym. Politically correct synonyms for impediment focus on neutral, respectful terms that highlights challenges without implying personal fault, with top choices being challenge, barrier, obstacles, hindrance, or stumbling block. Accessibility, barrier, disability, impairment are preferred over outdated language. I gotta, I'll have to send it to my acting coach. But after we're done with this, sorry guys. So that's closed in correction. And let it be. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, I can like trade the it was a spring though. And it's like far from 0.5 anyway. So yeah, come on. Come on, Mishka. Doo-doo-doo. HSBC. Boosh. So yeah, the point was if I make strange noises or faces, that's my what we call in Meissner technique impediment work. However, I agree with Siri. It's like there's certain context where impediment does not really sound good, and it never did to me when I was in a class. And then we were doing like impediment class, and then we start studying accents. I was like, oh, please, we have to develop a better verbiage for that. Something is mismatching. I was like, something is wrong here. uh, well, okay. I'm not looking short here. Ugh. Now that looks like an exhaustion, but too late, too deep, and all of that. I should not be even charging it short, but can't help it. Can't help it. Yeah, that's gonna break on Lockheed Martin, so that potential would be a level to oversee. It's funny, like for like an English foreign language speaker, overlook and oversee, they feel exactly the same for me. And yet what a difference. It's too far from point 0.5. This extra energy, look what it does. What is this? Okay, that's a cutoff. But we don't need it on months, not on year. Yeah. Everything is weird about this stock. So just like be super excited about what's going on here, I wouldn't. It's at the level as we speak, and yet uh, the volume distribution, yeah, it looks like it. I want to go meet the. So tempting to go back to cryptocurrencies, you know, with their This is all real volume. This is not. So yeah, looks like it want to go meet the 0.5. It looks like it wants to go meet 0.5. Yeah. Da-da-da-dum. Boink. What a guy. Did the break and now tune 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 tune. People are back from lunch. Was there? There was no level, so yeah. Well, that was a test, some would say. Nah, sorry. I could say that was a level because it's like, eh, but and it's still a weakness. And volume distribution is still long. Yeah, there's no exhaustion. Oh boy, I can tell this much. Yeah, we are well beyond our rotation point. So I think this alone disqualifies. Um, um, it reached its 0.5 potential on daily, so only if it does a test here and reverses. This is came to 0.5. This came to 0.5, not this is came to 0.5. Yeah. Yeah, why? Something like this? I don't know. Mm. Pfizer. That would be lovely to sit at point 0.5 at yeah, this is very debatable. This supporting zone, supporting bar test level. Boing, boing. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna close in correction. So at the very least you can expect if it closes to correction, then we are good till our point 0.5 moves here, probably. Yes, I wouldn't trust this level on daily. An hourly though. Mark my word, it's gonna be perfect on hourly. No, it's not. I see here shrinks and weakness. That would be lovely. And I think that's about what I have for today on our. Did we have a green day? I think we have a green day. Yep. Yeah. I'm not going to take it because it's beyond the rotation point. So our potential is limited. Can work though. That would need a test. Um, I don't want to rechart Walmart just quite yet. Boom, look at this volume. Yeah, there's no context for investment trade on that guy. It's American Pie. This was a one bar rule. Yeah, I'm gonna write for my acting coach and try to persuade him to stop using impediment term and change it to something more PC. Well, anyway, yeah, those are my reds. Let's see my greens. Ooh, you're more green than red. Sure. Christmas rally, anyone? Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna let you go. I have a few additions to knock off or knock out. Knock off, I think, right? Off. Knock off. Yeah, this thing went up. Oy, oy, oy. What can I say? Except you're welcome. This is test to this up thrust. Uh, yeah, that's not the test because it's not the biggest volume, and also I can't. We already have the past our potential. Um, okay. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learning around the communities of like-minded.